Hello friend, this is Kalpesh Satasya. Today we are going to learn how to use TagHelper in ASP.NET Core. So we'll see how to use the TagHelper in ASP.NET Core and how to restrict, or we can say secure the content through the TagHelper. I have created one default ASP.NET Core 2.2 MVC application. So this is the default structure, and I have just one created the one tag helpers folder. Inside the tag helpers folders, I have one created tag helper secure content tag helpers. Let's go one by one thing. It's very simple. So I will create the new one. So I think you guys get better idea. Just simple class, and I'm just writing the secure link tag helper dot cs. Okay, here we have need to using microsoft dot asp.net core dot razor dot tag helpers. Okay, it will require because we want to inherit tag helper. Okay, so just formatting. Okay, we are using the tag helper on the view page, so we have to decorate with this attributes HTML tag help elements. You can give the any name, but generally we prefer whatever name we have the tag helper name, so same name will give it. It will be more efficiently. Okay, and we need to create the string properties, and I just give the name uh, page name we can say, and we can decorate also the attribute with this HTML attributes name. So once whatever name we have given the sp dash page dash name. Okay, and what are the other methods? So we just go in there, and if you have the async and await methods in your project, then you can use the process async. Right now we are just going for the static methods, so I'm just taking this. Instead of virtual, we put the override and implement here. Okay, so this is the output. I'm just going the output dot tag name is blank, and output dot suppress is the method. Okay, so now in between we are going to just add the logic. At moment we have static logic, so I'm going to create the one property of list of array string. Okay, and here I'm going this page names. Okay, so we are going to add the constructor, and on the constructor we are just going to initialize it. Okay, then page names dot add. So here we can just add some of the page names which will be going to just validate, or we can say authorize it. So home, then about, then like other pages, we can say the contact us. Okay, something like. Okay, so these are the page, and here we have write some conditions like page name dot any x of x equal to what are the page name we are going to pass it. Okay, if it is there, then it is return, otherwise it's going to be okay. So this is simple, nothing fancy in this tag helper right now, because we are just validating through the static list which are the page. But if we are in a big application, of course there will be we have the database, right? So we can call the database and just validate based on the user login. So these are the multiple way, but for the demo purpose we have used the static list here. And in the static list we are just making the state conditional. Okay, so if like if my page name, if my attributes from this HTML, the page name is one of them, then it will be display the link, otherwise it will be hide. Okay, so what is the next step after we creating this tag helper class? So my next thing will be there. Go to the view page and just find the view imports, because view imports is import to the each and every view in our application. Okay, so we just need to add one more tag helper. I already added. This is our application uh, assembly, right? So we can say this as a namespace or assembly, we can whatever they say. So this is our main assembly name. So that assembly name we have added using the star. So we don't need to add suppose tomorrow we're going to add multiple tag helper, then we don't need to each and every tag helpers to be added over here. Okay, so that is the way. And now the final step. So what are the steps we have done? First steps, we have created the one tag helper class. Second step, we have add into the tag helper on the view imports file view, right? Now the third step is we going to the layout page, and as we have used the secure content, which I already done, but I'm just going to change it, or we can say I'm just link it. Okay, so and we also asp page name, right, which I have defined here. Asp page name, you can give the xyz name over here, then you have to mention the xyz here and give the page name. Okay, so right now I am just taking care of the privacy. Okay, I'm just copy and pasted the name. You see I am passing the privacy as a uh, page name right here. So but in our list the privacy is not there, then that means our privacy link should not be visible. So I'm going to just run it. Secure link, make sure like whatever the you have give the name secure link, the same name will be there. Okay, we can double check it, secure link, and here is the same secure link. Okay, so now okay, so see we have the only home link. Now I'm going to give this home as a page name, so you will be able to see the I'm going to refresh it, so you will be able to see the privacy link is also there. Yes, its privacy link is also there. So that way we can handle the based on the user authorization or based on the user role, we can hide the link, show the link. So this is the one of the tag helper, and which is used, and it's interact with the view pages and handle through the C# code. So it's more control on the developer point of view. So hope you like the video and tag helpers provided in the ASP.NET Core. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Please give your feedbacks or comment in the comment sections how you like it and what kind of video you want to learn in the next videos. Thank you guys.